In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unrestrict someone in Messenger using desktop. If you've used the restrict feature in Messenger, it quietly limits interactions without fully blocking someone. Messages move out of your main inbox, notifications stop, and your activity status isn't shared. Unrestricting reverses that, bringing the conversation back to normal. Here's how to do it smoothly on your computer. Start on your desktop browser and go to Facebook. Make sure you're signed into the account where the restriction was set. In the search bar at the top, type the name of the person you previously restricted. Click their profile from the results to open their page. If multiple people share similar names, look for the correct profile picture or mutual connections to help you identify the right person. On their profile, click the message button, sometimes labeled as Messenger. This opens a chat window. On desktop, Messenger might pop up at the bottom right of Facebook, or it may open in a full Messenger view in a new tab. Either way is fine. If nothing opens, refresh the page or make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups, as that can prevent the chat window from appearing. Once the conversation loads, look for a banner or a notice at the top of the chat that says you restricted this conversation. You'll see an option labeled Unrestrict. Click Unrestrict. If a confirmation prompt appears, confirm your choice. When the restriction is removed, the banner disappears and the chat behaves like a regular conversation again. After unrestricting, new messages from this person will return to your main inbox. You'll receive notifications as usual, and depending on your settings, your active status and read receipts can be visible again. If you don't see the unrestrict option, double check that you opened the chat with the correct person, try refreshing the page, or close and reopen the conversation. It's also possible the chat wasn't actually restricted, in which case you won't see that banner. A quick note for clarity, unrestricting is different from unblocking. If you previously blocked the person, you won't see the unrestrict banner. You'd need to unblock instead, which is a separate action. And if you're not friends, unrestricting won't change your friend status. It only restores normal messaging behavior. That's it. Open Facebook on desktop, find the person, open the chat, and click unrestrict in the banner. Simple, quick, and you're back to regular messaging. If this helped, keep these steps handy for next time you need to adjust a conversation's visibility without removing someone entirely.